Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to split water into hydrogen and oxygen through a process called electrolysis. It's super simple and cool. For this experiment, we need a beaker, water, a battery, two metal rods as electrodes, and a container to hold water.
Now take a container with filled with water and add a pinch of salt and stir it, and this helps to increase the conductivity of water. Now take the iron sticks connected to the battery. Connect one iron rod to the positive terminal and other to the negative terminal. Now place it in the water. Let us wait for the bubbles to form.
One eternity later.